7.0 on the basis of 6.0. We conducted a comprehensive upgrade of the automatic recall scheme. Why a comprehensive upgrade? The first is that we increase the sources of intelligence. Then maybe before the administrator. When using this manual recall function, it is more about its own daily operation and maintenance. I found this when managing. Or there are some enterprise users. He talked to him and found out. Now we have another scenario. It is possible to receive our core mails. Core mail, this official email address. After 7.0, we will connect with the CC Email Security Big Data Center, such an intelligence center. What if the intelligence center detects? He went through a timely analysis after the facts. I found that we have an email here. Then bypass the anti-spam engine, antivirus engine, even a check of the engine after it is delivered. He'll issue us a recall order, such A1. Then the gateway actually this time it. You don't need to wait for the administrator to operate it. He can take advantage of this prime time in time. Automatically send it back to the mail system through the program. This recall mission. Then it shortens the processing time by 1. Then the gateway issues such a recall instruction. After that, the administrator will also be informed of the results. Just let him know. Your email. In fact, there is a malicious email. Then we've recalled it for you. There may be a series of other dispositions behind the management. For example, I added some. Add some to these malicious threats. What kind of rules should be tightened? Or maybe I'm adding some new anti-fraud strategies, and so forth. This is for the administrator to have such a space. Then also for those emails that have been read. Our gateway will arrive at that time. It will also give the administrator a choice. You cannot recall. Then you can notify. Or after you recall, you inform your users. Give him an afterthought. That is to say, the email you just read. It's actually a more harmful phishing email. Well, this is actually, on the one hand, it educates users. On the other hand, remind him in time to stop him. Do some more dangerous operations than this malicious email. Automatic recall. It is also our 7.0 target. This scenario proposes an exclusive solution.